Good morning, guys. If you've been watching my channel this summer, first of all, I appreciate it. I hope I continue to make videos that you guys are interested in, and I really enjoy all the contacts that I've made. I've met a lot of really cool people through this channel, and that's something I never expected to happen. You've also seen that I've had a really busy summer with my sawmill. I landed my first major commercial client, and I wanted to kind of go back to some videos I made this spring where I was sawing timbers that came out of a building that was demoed, and I made paneling that went into the new building in its place. Together with the paneling that I made and some very well-skilled craftsmen who installed it, the finished product came out amazing, and I just thought it was too good not to share with you guys. So here's a little bit of what these guys did with the paneling that I made.